I'm in the wrong spot, y'all. Baby chickens running around. What is going on here? Man, it looks absolutely delicious. That's that Mofongo. What's going on, family? We're here at Newark Airport early in the morning, man. About 5 a.m. We about to get our flight and go out here to Puerto Rico, see what we can find and adventure, food, and it's definitely travel.
United y esta tripulación, bienvenidos a Puerto Rico.
After landing in Puerto Rico, I jumped in a rental car and drove 2 hours southwest to Cabo Rojo. And this is the place, the Airbnb that we're staying at. This is it right here. It's like almost kind of like a studio with a couch right there. Table right there. Nice size refrigerator. Let me see if I can get some light back there. There's the light. Got some cafe right there. I should make some coffee right now. I am so hungry. Wouldn't it be cool if there was like a bunch of food in there? Oh, look, there's somebody left their crackers. Got a lot of water. I need to drink some water. And then you got some stuff people left, man, like some condiments. Oh, junk, the sliding door was open. Got a balcony here. So here you get to see out the front and the back. You got a cooler right there and some chairs. Get to see out the back. I want to go all the way out to those rocks, man. Yo, this restaurant is back here in the cut. Y'all seen that chicken? Or was that a rooster? Back here in the cut, y'all. It's called the coral. The coral. What is it called? It's called the coral.
Turn left onto Calle North. Then the destination is on your right.
Make a left, and then the destination is on the right. So we're gonna make the left right here. Make the left, and then the destination is on your right. I think I came the wrong way. I ain't no restaurant back here, is it? I ain't doing that, buddy.
The destination is on your right, El Coral.
No, it ain't.
Arrived.
The chicken. I'm in the wrong spot, y'all. Baby chickens running around. What is going on here? All right, y'all. I think I found the restaurant. El Coral. Coral? I wonder how you pronounce it, though. Cars are coming by fast, yo. They coming by fast. Look. Cars be coming by fast, y'all. It's this little road. It's like a one-way. If this was back in Newark, this would be a one-way, man. You know? Look at this. That's across the street from El Coro. Then I parked over there. I hope I'm good over there, man. Hope I'm good. Park right there. El Coro. I hope they open. I hear like stuff shaking. How you doing? I hear stuff shaking in the back, man. Like I hear pots and pans. Hold up, y'all. They got like a back area. Yo. Hola. How y'all doing? All right? Oh, it's packed in here, right? Look, y'all, nice little beach area right here. I think I'm gonna sit right here, man. Look at this. Do what it do.
Even though the music was very loud, man, the atmosphere in this restaurant was totally amazing. I sat and watched the sunset over the Caribbean Sea.
Yo, they just brought it out, man. It looks absolutely delicious. That's that mofongo with the pescado, man. Got the fish on there. I see they got their special sauce, and they got some veggies here too, man. Look at it out. That's that fish right there, man. That's that fish. Tasty. I got the Alfredo sauce on it. It's a little kind of, it's like, the fish tastes like it's overcooked to me. But the flavor is delicious. The sun just went down, man. We out here chilling. The background is some music. Oh, that's a big piece right there. I got the mofongo in there and the fish. That mofongo is pretty darn good, man. And I love that Alfredo sauce. Uh-oh.
Check this spot out if you're ever down in Cabo Rojo.
All right, it's nighttime, y'all. It's drizzling a bit. It is what it is, man. The food was all right. The fish tastes like it was just a little overcooked, but it was very tasty. I mean, the texture was like, felt like it was overcooked, but it was very tasty. All right, y'all, the sad news right there. I thought I was gonna be able to go to the coffee spot, but I'm not, because the coffee spot is closed right now. The coffee spot is closed. All right, that's where I'm staying. It looks a little beat up, but I'm roughing it. I am just kidding, y'all. I am not staying there. But this look like it could really be a nice property, right? Nice beachfront houses, man. They look a little rough, but it is what it is. How the coffee spot gonna be closed, man? It's only like, I mean, it's like 7 a.m., but the coffee spot should be open at 7, right? Okay, I was at that gate a few seconds ago. That's the road. Once again, this is where we're staying. And then they have a little, everything is security here too. I mean, it's secured. There's no security that I actually saw, but everything is secured. All right. Only people can get in here are the birds. Right? Nice little area here. You can come. If I had coffee, I could sit on the balcony or sit here, man. You know? Oh, let me just give y'all a static shot. I be moving too much sometimes. And then they got okay, those kayaks and stuff are private property. That's good to know. And then you have the beach area here. Everything you need a key for. You know, I mean, if you wanted, you could just hop over this gate. But the key, same key that fits the front gate. Buenos dias. And you got the water here, man. Pretty nice. Pretty nice right now. Let's walk out a little bit.